Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 40 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science, that is from force and laws of the motion, and today we discuss about the second law of motion. In the last worksheet we discussed about the first law of motion. Gyan asked, Jigyasa Didi, I have learned that an unbalanced force is required to move an object. But can we measure the amount of force? That how much force we involved in it and how can we measure? Jigyasa Didi reply, Gyan, in order to understand this, we have to learn about the second law of motion. What is the second law of motion, Jigyasa Didi? Gyan, listen. The rate of change of momentum of an object is directly proportional to the applied force. What is the momentum, Jigyasa Didi? Momentum, it is the relation between velocity and the mass, and it is a vector quantity. It is represented by P. Okay, and its direction is in the direction of the velocity, and its SI unit is kilogram meter per second. In the easy language, what is momentum? Momentum, it is the product of mass and velocity, and its formula is P equals to M into V. Okay. Now, there is a mathematical calculation of the second law of motion, how force is directly proportional to the mass in acceleration. Students, suppose we have an object of the mass m moving in a straight line with the velocity u and a force F be applied on it with a time t, and the final velocity is v. So initial momentum here is p1, and p1 is equal to the mu, that is initial momentum. Final momentum is p2, that is mv. What is the change in momentum, student? Here change in momentum is p2 minus p1. P2 is mv and p1 is mu. So we got from here mv minus u. And what is the second law of motion, student? According to the second law of motion, force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of means we have to divide the change in momentum by time, and from here we get force is equal to kma, and F, the unit of the force, is here Newton or kilogram meter per second square. This is the answer of your first question, student. We have to calculate the mathematical expression. So answer of your first question is this. Now we have some uses of second law of motion in our daily life, student. According to the second law of motion, force is inversely proportional to the time. If we increase the time, force get decrease, and if we decrease the time, force get increase, and these all example are depend upon that. First, in the sports of long and high jump, athletes are made to fall either on a cushion bed or on a sand bed. Why? Do you notice in a long jump or high jump, athletes always jump on the sand bed or a cushion bed? Why they can't jump directly on the floor? Because whenever they jump on the cushion bed, their time to reach the floor get increased, and when the time increase, student, force get decrease. They are prevent from injury. Second, a karate player breaks the slab with a single blow. Why a karate player break the slab with a single blow? Why he can't slowly blowing and break? Because whenever it break the slab in a single blow, it reduce the time, and time get reduced, force get increased, and with a high force he can remove and break the slab in a single blow. Okay, student. Third, fielder in a cricket ground gradually pulls his hands back while catching the moving ball. You notice in the cricket match, whenever fielder catch the ball, he run backward and move its hand backward to catch the ball, not catch even at its standing position. Why? because while he moving his hands back, he increased the time, and the time got increased, force get decreased. So ball did not harm any way. Fourth one, bullet harm only when it is fired. Yeah, bullet harms only when it is fired. Whenever we press the trigger, it means whenever we apply the force, we increase the force by pressing the trigger and decrease the time, and bullet from the gun shot on the person. Now there is example given, student. A force act on a mass of the 5 kg for 2 seconds and its velocity increases from 3 to 7. Find the amount of the force and find the final velocity if time gets changed. So you have to notice what is given. U equals to 3, V equals to 7, time 2 seconds, mass 5 kg. Formula is have according to second law of motion. We calculate the force, that is 10 Newton. Now we have the time 5 seconds, then our velocity is 13 meter per second. Let's do exercise. First question we discussed. Second, what will be the momentum of the car parked at roadside? 0. Why? Because P equals to mv. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. P equals to m into v is 0 because car is at the rest position. So our momentum is also 0. Third question, student. The velocity of an object of mass 100 kg increased from 5 to 8 in 6 seconds. Find the amount of the force. We have to calculate the force. F equals to m v minus u upon t. M is here 100. Final velocity is 8. Initial is 5 and time is given 6 seconds. So our force is here 50 Newton. This is the answer of our third question, student. Fourth question. A truck of the 1000 kg mass is moving with velocity 0.5. Calculates the momentum. What is the formula of momentum, students? Formula of momentum is P equals to m into v. Mass is 1000. Velocity is 0.5. So our momentum is here 500 kg meter per second. Okay. Last one, define the momentum and also write its SI unit. The definition of momentum given up to you, student. This is your answer of the fifth question. From here, and SI unit is this. So this is your fifth answer. You have to write momentum, definition and its SI unit. I think this worksheet is clear up to you. Student, if you like that worksheet, then share among your friend circle and complete it in your notebook, and also relate the second law of motion with your daily life to understand it easily, because the practical knowledge is much better than the bookish language, student. If you learn this worksheet, second law of motion, and relate all these examples with your daily life, I think this is the very easiest way of learning anything. And please share and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the earliest notification of each and every worksheet timely. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.